Good morning, this is Wednesday the 12th of February. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Over in the US on Tuesday, Wall Street closed mixed as Fed Chair Jerome Powell signaled concerns over the direction of the US economy amid US tariffs and the possibility of a global trade war. The Dow Jones climbed 0.1%, but the S&P500 and Nasdaq dropped 0.2% and 0.6% respectively. In Europe overnight, markets closed higher as investors digested the latest Trump tariff announcements and the European Union planning to retaliate against the US for new steel and aluminium tariffs. The STOXX 600 rose 0.23%, Germany's DAX added 0.56%, the French CAC gained 0.28%, and in the UK the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.11%. Across the APAC region on Tuesday, markets closed mixed as investors continued digesting the impacts and flow-on effects of Trump's latest tariffs. Hong Kong's Seng fell 1.06%, China's CSI index fell 0.46%, but South Korea's Kospi index rose 0.71%, and Japan's markets were closed for a holiday. The local market started the new trading week lower on Monday before a choppy session that led to a flat close on Tuesday, as a sharp sell-off in healthcare stocks weighed on the local index. Trump tariffs continue to dampen investor sentiment and fuel investor and central bank demand for gold stocks, gold bullion, and exposure to gold in any form in portfolios, given the safe haven nature of the precious commodity at a time where economic and market certainty is very unclear. CSL results for the first half out yesterday weighed on the local market and healthcare sector as the healthcare giant fell nearly 5% despite beating expectations for two of the company's three divisions. The company's Behring business, which manufactures plasma products and provides collection services in the US, Australia, Europe and other places around the world, reported a strong first half with revenue up 10% and gross margin of 51.1%, which beat expectations by 20 basis points. Investors likely sold out of the company amid warnings of FX headwinds to come in H2, and after the company's Securus division posted a 9% decline in revenue on the prior corresponding period. Gold miners rocketed again yesterday as the price of the precious commodity jumped over $2,900 an ounce for the first time ever, amid increased demand out of central banks and from investors due to the safe haven nature of the asset in a time of great uncertainty. The Aussie dollar has further strengthened against the greenback to buy 62.92 US cents, 95.87 Japanese yen, 50.7 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 1.21% higher at $73 and 19 cents a barrel. Gold is down just 0.4% at $2,906 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.56% at $106 and 97 cents a tonne. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX will open the day up just 0.02%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has maintained a buy rating on CSL, but have lowered the 12-month price target from $345 to $335 following the release of the company's first half results, showing revenue rose 5%, but fell 1% short of Bell Potter expectations, and NPAT rose 3%, but was 4% below what Bell Potter was expecting. The analyst maintains a buy rating as the Behring division continues its strong growth outlook and positive margin recovery, despite the Securus division facing headwinds of declining vaccine demand in the US. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on QBE Insurance Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 7 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $20.43 to the range of $21.90 to $22.20, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Wednesday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.